Are we sleeping?
No, there's cannibals that we're fighting right now.
Oh, that's so loud. Holy
Let's go to sleep, guys.
Yeah, let's go to sleep.
Save.
Do you
Save,
not?
save, save,
You okay.
Listen, we're in our bathrobes. We need to sleep. Wait, why are some of our bathrobes have blood and other ones don't?
It's not like
Because
Minecraft.
some of us have been fighting and some of us
Yeah.
just ran past the
Sounds
enemies.
like someone hasn't been doing shit.
Wait, the door, bring it in.
Oh shit!
What the fuck?
What is that noise?
No! It broke it! They broke the house! See, oh my gosh, we had to fight the cannibal!
Damn, this cannibal got a fat ass
I
though.
know they could do that.
You trying to donate?
They just broke our house!
No.
That's like 60 logs! We can still sleep
I'm
here! At the tiny house!
Tiny house there.
Tiny
There's
house
still one more
gang.
cannibal, guys.
Come on, yeah, we...
Cold!
I told y'all we have to get the cannibal.
No, we don't. You were just too slow to go to bed.
But I thought normally they don't break the house unless they're like the white ones.
This isn't Minecraft.
They were so aggro.
This isn't Minecraft.
Is there
You
a...
can sleep when there are enemies.
Bonfire, 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 bonfire.
Why are you making a bonfire? Don't sleep.
Oh, I'm cold! I'm dying of cold!
There's a fire.
There's a
Wait,
fire
oh,
right
never
near
mind.
the
We don't
door.
have the fire anymore.
There's no more fire.
Oh,
Dying of cold!
okay.
Here, right here.
I'm dying of cold!
Right here.
Get logs, get logs, get logs!
Why a bonfire instead of just a normal campfire?
Because
It's bigger.
warm. Yeah, bigger.
Bigger is better. Don't question it.
Yeah, don't question it.
Okay, senpai, you right. You senpai. I call
Yeah,
her.
exactly.
Logs, yeah, with a little
Let
bit
there be light.
Okay, here we go.
Fire!
Fire! Oh God! Yeah!
Oh god. Oh god.
More bodies with a fire.
It's a
Oh,
bad-
Wait, you can throw the whole bodies on this?
yeah.
Oh my gosh.
We're cooking for bulk now.
Baby.
Alright guys, we're eating good tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Industrial
Yeah.
cooking.
He's good.
I love how Shu still made a really tiny campfire. Like, look at this. Look at this. Hugo. Hugo, you stepped in Shu's trap.
Hugo, you're on fire, Hugo!
Hugo, we will pick you up if you agree to find a bathrobe stream.
You can make armor?
A little
wait.
why? Because we have
Hold on.
this now, and people are catching on fire because of that.
Wait, what's that?
Fire!
Oh, bone.
My fire!
Where's the
How
arms?
do I cook fish in the big bonfire?
I don't think I can.
I don't think
Then
you
why'd
can.
you break my fire?
Oh, there's another cannibal coming. Guys, we should go to sleep real quick.
Oh,
Okay.
Sleep.
Sonny, get in bed, you son of a...
Luke is like,
I was just wondering,
Luca's all the
you
way
know,
across the
Luca's
map.
just all the way over there, so that's what I was wondering about.
Guys, we should probably kill these two. They're looking a little
Okay, here they
advanced.
come.
They got
Yeah.
that technology.
Lights and shit.
No, they're scared. They're stupid.
Yeah, they don't like the big fire. That's why.
Yeah, they don't like the big fire. I think we're
Oh, my
fine.
rockfish is spoiled.
Power of
Does this lady have...
Ow.
Oh, she got boobies. She's leaving. She's dumb.
Luca, are you good? You good, boss?
Yeah, I'm still in the cave.
I'm gonna
Oh,
say.
okay. Oh, lightning.
No, but the thing is, I know there's
Yeah,
a
you have nice tits.
there's a
but
tent
you're
down
not-
here. I'm going.
Okay,
She's a 10, but she's a cannibal. Oh shit, I'm gonna die.
So what you're saying is she's an 11.
Yeah.
I mean, you have no grocery bills, am I right?
Can someone res me,
That's what I'm saying.
please? Can someone res me? Oh, thank you.
Guys, this arm is mine.
I
Please.
was looking respectfully.
I'm
but
about to
you
die
know.
of hunger.
You
I'm about
know.
to die of hunger.
Who ate my food?
Who ate my arm?
Can we eat?
Sleep.
Kind of fun.
Someone else's food.
Wait, after the cooking's done.
Yeah,
I've got an idea.
We're
I'm
never
about
gonna
to
make
die.
it through this
It's
night.
too dark to see
We
the
still can't go
fish
to
in the
sleep
water.
because Luca's over there.
Oh shit,
Or
I'm
no,
gonna die
I'm-
from cold.
I'm going to the tent. So
Okay.
It's too dark to see the fish in the water,
fire.
so I'm gonna throw dynamite in the water.
I'm gonna
and
eat it.
Hopefully that'll kill enough
Sorry.
fish to fill
Wait,
enough.
will that kill us too though?
I hope so.
What?
I hope so.
We're waiting
Come
for
on,
food,
son.
because if we eat the food before it cooks, it rots.
Okay, dynamite in the water now.
No,
Look
when
out.
you wake up, you can't.
You're going dynamite fishing? Oh my god.
Oh!
You're going dynamite fishing? Oh my god. You're going dynamite fishing? Oh my god. Oh,
Pomu just flew in the air onto the bonfire!
Sorry. Hey, on the bright side, I got 2 fish. On the bright side, I got 2 fish. I'm so low.
Sonny, do it again!
No. I'm so scared that we're gonna lose our
Dynamite.
shelter.
I gotta save it for.
Wait, is all the water gone now?
It doesn't blow the water out.
Wait, what?
Realistic.
What happened to me?
Oh, I got a dynamite.
Should I just?
You gotta throw it in the water!
Okay.
Oh my
I'm
god.
just gonna run over to you guys.
Throw the dynamite in
Watch
the
out.
water.
Oh. Luca, watch out. Mind the dynamite. Yeah, mind the dynamite.
Go, throw it. Press mouse
I
2.
told you.
I'm getting more
Wait, no, mouse
food.
1.
Now I told you.
Now run.
More food.
Yugo, you're going to die.
Nice.
We gonna light it up.
Okay, let's go see if there's any fish.
Dynamite.
Oh, there's a fish here.
Fish.
This one's not dead. Okay. Okay, yeah, here's fish.
We survived the night.
You get like 1
Yay.
or 2.
See,
Oh, nice.
see.
Okay.
She's nuts.
Okay, nobody left click by accident. Oh shit, who threw that? Wait, oh no, where did that?
Hey.
Why did everything keep disappearing?
Calm down, buddy.
Yugo, did you have a...
What the hell's wrong with you? Sorry. Hold on.
Pomu, what the
You haven't
fuck,
found
bruh?
Luca.
Luca, are you okay?
I thought we made a truce.
This guy keeps following me.
You didn't. There we go.
Kill him till he's dead!
Kill him till he's dead! Take his limbs!
Kill him to
There's a lot of food in the fire!
People don't die until they're
Down,
killed.
they can come back up.
I need to tell you something. Pucha.
What's up, Yugo?
Pomu, get the fuck away from me.
Did you break the...
What's wrong?
You
What's wrong?
dropped Claire? Claire?
Whoa.
That was Luca. That was dead ass Luca. That was Luca. That was Luca. That was dead ass Luca.
I just hear an explosion. I look behind and I see Fuchan and Yugo collapse to the ground. Oh my god.
You were talking about?
Eat! Somebody eat the food! Somebody eat the food!
Meeting.
Mine. Oh, thank God.
Team meeting.
Okay.
Hey guys, listen. Hey guys, listen. Oh shit. Hey guys, listen. Oh shit.
Stop! For fuck's sake.
Why? Stop being Yugo!
Oh my gosh, you broke the drying rack, you broke the house, you broke the campfire. Well, oh my gosh, I'm about to I'm this close to closing the server to save that
might as
save
well.
and to
We might as well
revert the
break this
game.
Wait, can you actually do that?
Who was it? Oh my god, our
I
little
didn't fucking do that time. All right. That was me.
Can we go back to the days before our house was gone? Sonny?
Yeah.
Might as well break it all.
Sonny?
It wasn't me.
Might as well break it all.
I was trying to drink water this whole time. This fucking game won't let me
miss
drink.
our house.
Exploring the cave. We come back out.
progress?
Nobody holds C.
Honestly, we might as well restart.
What's happening? I'm pressing E on what?
The dynamite was a mistake.
That wasn't me. I threw it at Yugo and Fulgur, okay? Alright? It was far away from the campsite.
Whose voice is that? Who is doing that voice?
I literally hear people lighting dynamite. Where are you?
I'm scared.
Hey, Kyo, what you
It's
guys
not
doing?
me!
Bro. Oh, there's so many cannibals on me. Help me, help me, help me, help me.
Where are you?
I'm on the...
Cut down the tree. Cutting down the tree.
I got your back. Shoot, let's do
Tree
this.
down, cutting down the tree.
Inside of me.